What's up everyone, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you the best build out there, but due to the recent community guideline from YouTube, I will not be able to show you the content of this build. This is because YouTube has been taking down videos on my channel. So if you don't know how to have this build on your device, check out the link on the comment section. I will be dropping a link on how to have this build on your device. Okay, so this is the features of this. This is the newest Diggz Xenon 2 build out there. Fast, working perfectly well. There is no issue with this build. Let's check out other builds within this build. You can find build menu. These are the build here. You have the Diggz AIO, Diggz, these are the builds. So go back again. You can update this build here if you want. If you don't want to just go back. So this is the content of the build. Then you can go to let's check out the add-ons within this build. You can find this. These are the add-ons within this build. So to have this build on your device, all you have to do is to check out the link on the link in comment section. I'll be dropping a link on how to have this build on your device. So see you guys in my next video. I'm not showing you the content of this because of the recent YouTube community guidelines. So if you want to have this build on your device, please check out the comment section. You will see a link on how to have the URL and the steps to have this build on your device. See you guys in my next video.